Hello class! Nandito na naman tayo sa another lesson in math. Once again, I am your teacher for today. My name is Miss D. Okay, our lesson for today is Divisibility Rules. Ano nga ba yung divisibility rules? Okay, yung divisibility rules, pag sinabi natin na ito yung mga kailangan nating tandaan or i-memorize, actually, pagka ito kasi lagi mo na pa-practice, magiging ano na to, automatic na to sa'yo, magiging skill mo na to. So basically, for divisibility, we want to know if a number is divisible. So for example, we have the number 10. If a number is divisible by a certain number. Pag sinabi mong divisible by, ibig sabihin, kaya siyang i-divide without a remainder. So, exact value or whole number yung magiging sagot. Okay. So, we have several divisibility rules. Ngayon, hinati-hati ko yung lesson kasi masyadong mahaba. So, we'll start with divisibility rules for number 2. How will we know if a number is divisible by 2? So, if a number is divisible by 2, napakadali. The number has to be an even number. Okay, let's look at our given example. Dagdagan ko to ha. Gawin nating 210. Is 210 an even number? Yes. If it is an even number, then that means it is divisible by 2. How about 3? Ano ba yung rule ng divisibility by 3? So, for divisibility by 3, you just have to add. So, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. What do we mean by that? Our given is 210. So, the digits are 2, 1, and 0. So, we simply get the sum. So, that's 2 plus 1 plus 0, and the answer is 3. So, 3 can be divided by 3 or is divisible by 3. Therefore, the whole number 210 is also divisible by 3. How about the divisibility rule for 4? How do we say that a number is divisible by 4? So for this, we just look at the last 2 digits. So when we say last 2 digits, we look at the tens and the ones place value. So in our given number, the last 2 digits will be 10. The question is 10 divisible by 4? No. 10 is not divisible by 4, therefore, 210 is not divisible by 4. Divisibility rule for 5. Ito madali lang. If the number ends in 5 or 0, automatic divisible na rin siya by 5. So since the given number is 210, it ends in 0, then it is divisible by 5. Then lastly, we have divisibility rule for 6. So for this, ang rule lang dyan dapat, okay, divisible siya by both. So divisible by 2 and 3. So is it divisible by 2? Yes. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. Therefore, 210 is divisible by 6. O, diba? Madali lang yung divisibility rules. So, let us proceed with the practice for this lesson. Okay? So, 598 is the given number. Let us check if the given numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So, what is the rule for divisibility for 2? Again, the number should be even. So, 598, yes, it's divisible by 2. 3,642, yes, is divisible by 2. And the last one, 345, is not divisible by 2 because it is an odd number. How about divisibility for 3? What is our rule for divisibility for 3? Sige, i-recall nyo nga, paano natin yun makukuha if a number is divisible by 3? Ang tagal na recall, no? Okay. So, simply, we add the digits. So, in this case, we have 5 plus 9 plus 8. So, what's the value? That would be 5 plus 9 is 14. And 8 is, plus 8 is 22. Is 22 divisible by 3? No. Therefore, 598 is not divisible by 3. The next one is 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2. So that is 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore, it's also divisible by 3. And the last one is 3 plus 4 plus 5. So that would be 12. Therefore, that 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 345 is also divisible by 3. Divisibility rule for 4. Titingnan natin yung last 2 digit. Is 98 divisible by 4? The answer is no. Therefore, 598 is not divisible by 4. Is 42 divisible by 4? The answer is no. Therefore, 3,642 is not divisible by 4. Is 45 divisible by 4? Again, the answer is no. Therefore, 345 is not divisible by 4. And then again, for 5, what's the rule? Madali lang, diba? If the number ends in 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. So this will not be divisible by 5. This is not divisible by 5. The last one is divisible by 5. Finally, we have divisibility for number 6. So dito, titignan nyo lang because the rule is the number has to be divisible both by 2 and 3 for it to be divisible by 6. So, titingnan mo lang yung may check sa 2 and 3. Yun lang ang divisible by 6. O, di ba? Napakadali. Okay, so this concludes our lesson for today on divisibility rules. I hope you understood the lesson and you learned something new today. If you have more questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section para mabalikan at masagot natin. And then also, if you like our contents, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mind Bloom. And don't forget to click the notification button para ma-notify kayo pag may bago kaming videos. So that's all for today, class. Again, I hope you learned something new today and have fun while learning. Bye-bye!